We are trying to train Keiko to go pee on the wee pad, but instead of peeing, she is falling asleep.
She's fighting it.
Oh, pee pee. She's so sleepy. She's a 7-week-old Shiba Inu. And she is dozing off. Oh, look at her. We did not sedate her. If you're worried about that. We love our puppy. She's like our own daughter. She is our daughter. And Ryan has her leash. Say hello.
Hello.
Waiting for her to go eliminate on the puppy pad. And we've been here for approximately 4 or 5 minutes.
She's leaning.
And instead...
She's leaning. She is just so cute. Everything she does.
You need to poo before you go to bed.
Go put her in front of her bowl again. See if she'll drink some more.
Okay. Well.
Because, I mean...
Keiko.
She is...
falling asleep.
Falling asleep very quickly.
The baby.